Won't give a reopening date until the cause is determined. Now, new details of the Facebook hack that affected 90 million accounts. Facebook says an investigation.
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. A similar wireless emergency alert test message has been sent out to all cell phones in the nation. Some cell phones will receive the message, others will not. No action is required.
All right, and that wraps up FEMA's first ever nationwide test of a wireless emergency alert system in case of national threats like a nuclear attack or terrorist attack in multiple cities. First, there was that text alert you got on your phone, and then we had the EAS testing, and now we'll move on with the news. New this